Hi, my name's Dave Hunt. I'm going to demonstrate how to run the Selenium IDE Mozmill tests. Firstly, you're going to need to make sure that you've got both Mercurial and Mozmill installed on your system, and you can do this using simply pip install Mercurial and pip install Mozmill. The second thing you'll need to do is to clone the Mozmill automation repository. To do this, you can use the hgclone command with the repository location of hg.mozilla.org/qa/mozmill-automation. Once you've done this, enter the Mozmill automation repository directory, and you'll see from here that there are several scripts in this directory, starting with testrun underscore. The one we're interested in is testrun add-ons. If I run that with the help command line parameter, you'll see the various command line options that are available. So to run the tests against Selenium IDE, we need to first we'll provide a report location, and this means that the results will be reported to one of our dashboards. We'll use the Mozmill crowd dashboard. Which is located at mozmill-crowd.brasstacks.mozilla.com/db. The next thing, we only want to run the Selenium IDE tests, so we specify the target add-ons command line parameter, and we provide the ID, the unique ID for Selenium IDE, which is ide@seleniumhq.org. Because this add-on is not hosted on addons.mozilla.org, it's untrusted. So in order for these tests to run, we have to specify the with untrusted flag. And the final thing we need here is the binary of Firefox that we're going to run the tests against. Now these tests should run fine against Firefox 3.5 and 3.6, also Firefox 4, the current beta of Firefox 5, and also the Aurora and Nightly builds. So in this instance, I'm going to use Aurora. So what's going to happen now is the Mozmill tests repository is cloned, so the latest tests are brought down. Then the latest release of Selenium IDE will be downloaded, and then Firefox will be launched with the IDE, and the tests will be run. You can see the tests are running now. At the moment, there are 40 tests for Selenium IDE. All of these test commands. For each command, we're testing the assert and verify versions of the command. We're also testing that each of these pass and fail as expected. So for each command there are 4 tests, so at the moment we're testing just 10 commands. Okay, now that that's finished, you see that all 120 tests passed. Now that's 120 is including the setup and teardown, so it's actually three times more tests on this report here than there actually are tests. We can also see that the report document has been created and has been sent to the Brasstacks server, and the downloaded add-on has been removed, as has the temporary repository of the Mozmill tests. So now to see the results, let's fire up a browser. Okay, and we need to go to the add-ons test reports. We should see here, this is the latest test run used with Aurora, which is currently 6.0 alpha 2. If I go in, that report, you'll see that there were no failures. If we want to see that all of the tests, we just click on passed, and it's all good. So that's how to run the Selenium IDE tests written using Mozmill. Thanks.